We've come down here now to the Horniman Museum Nature Trail, and we're really fortunate that it's the oldest nature trail in London. It's a really rich, important habitat for a wide range of flora, fauna, invertebrates and birds, and a number of mammals too. It's on the site of an old railway. It was the Crystal Palace and South London Junction railway line, and in 1954 that line ceased, and there was a period between then and 1972 where this area wasn't really managed, and that space allowed a number of trees and plants to sort of almost reclaim the land. And in 1972 it began to be managed as the nature trail that you see here today.